How to show recycle bin in your Windows 10 File Explorer. Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to provide you with a step-by-step tutorial in order to do so you may follow out this method for that. So we can open up File Explorer. For that, you can directly press Windows plus E as well and look out for the view option in the top, this one right here, and select the option for navigation pane or preview pane, something like this, or details pane also, and make sure this option is checked. And when you do, on your left hand side you'll be finding the recycle bin listed there. You can scroll up in the left panel and it will directly open up. And if not here, if you want to show it on your desktop, what we can do is we can right click on our desktop and select the option for personalize. After we do so, we can select the option for themes here, and within themes we can look out for desktop icon settings, open it up, and here ensure that the recycle bin option is checked, and you can apply it up and click on OK once it is done, and apply the changes, and recycle bin will appear on the desktop and inside the File Explorer as well. But usually just doing so should work out for you, and recycle bin will be available for you. Ensure that your device is not in tablet mode, and you can restart your Windows Explorer and check if it's hidden by a third-party customization tool. But you can follow this method for now. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.